So guys, we're going to remove the bitterness of our bitter gourd. We're going to put salt. It's okay, you can put lots of salt. Our salt is about to finish. You're going to put, take it. Put lots of salt in it. Then, yep, our salt is about to finish. Okay. And now we're going to do like this. With your hand. Okay. Should be like this. Only like this. Yep. It will become like this now. So, and now we're going to rinse it. And drain it. And then okay. Now it's ready and we're going to cook it, guys. Cook, guys. Let's put oil in a pan. And ilagay na po natin yung ating sibuyas. Hintayin po muna natin na maluto po yung sibuyas bago po ang bawang. Haluin natin. Kung naaamoy po natin na yung aroma ng ating pong sibuyas, ayan, we can add na our garlic. Huwag po natin sunugin yung ating pong bawang kasi po magiging bitter yung ating pagkain. Ayan. So, medium heat fire lang. Naaamoy na ang bango ng bawang. Sunod na po natin ang ating pong pork belly. Yung pong pork belly natin is niluto ko po muna siya. Inilaga ko po para malambot. Ayan. Yan! Ayan, haluin. Lagyan po natin ng freshly ground pepper. Takpan ko muna to, guys. Ayan. Lutuin natin. Ayan, guys. Oh, pumuputok-putok na siya. Oh my gosh. Pumuputok. Oh. Ayan. And now. Alright. Ay! Pumutok. Okay. So, let's add now our bitter gourd. Halo-halo. Don't overcook. Kasi pag na-overcook po yung gulay, yan, wala na yung sustansya niya. And now guys, I can smell yung bango. No? And now guys, it's time to add egg. Beat the egg slightly and then pour it over here. Mix it like this. Okay. And you can add salt, just a little bit. And it's ready. Off the fire now.